Good afternoon, students. Have a nice day. Welcome to 6th Standard English class. I hope all are safe by God's grace. Today we are going to see about book back exercises of informal letter and dialogue writing. First, informal letter. What is an informal letter? An informal letter is the type of letter you would write to someone you know. For example, a friend or family member. They are written in a style that is more friendly and familiar in comparison to a formal letter, which follows strict rules about layout and style. In your book back exercises of page number 126, O exercise, read the informal letter given below. Sender's address, date, salutation, body of the letter. How are you? I am fine. I couldn't write earlier because I was very busy. I like my new home. It is a lovely house. I have a big bedroom looking over the garden. I helped mummy paint the bedroom walls yesterday. We choose a pretty yellow. A boy called Sundar lives next door. He likes animals not just like we do, but even more. He says he is going to be a vet when he grows up. I am still thinking about being a writer. Do you want me to send the story I am writing? It is all about Ooty, the queen of hill stations. Write soon. I am looking forward to hear all your news. Subscription, yours lovingly, signature, Mangai. Next, now write a reply to Mangai. There is no space in your book back page. So take one paper and write the answer and paste on this page. Reply letter, sender's name or sender's address, date, salutation, dear Mangai, body of the letter, how are you? I am fine. I received your letter yesterday. I am very pleased to know about your new home. Have you joined in your new school? How is the atmosphere over there? I miss you a lot. Happy to know that Sundar likes animals like us. He would be a good friend to you. Convey my regards to him. Send me the story you are writing about Ooty. I would like to read it. Convey my regards to your parents. I am looking forward to read your story in your next letter. Subscription, yours lovingly. Signature, your name. Next exercise, creative writing, conversation. Book page number 127. First, what is conversation? A conversation is an exchange of thoughts and ideas between two or more people. A conversation occurs when people cooperate with each other in order to introduce and sustain a single focus of attention by taking turns with each other. Exercise P. The puja holidays are about to start. Prasant and Deepak are friends. Both their family members have planned to go on a trip to Munnar. Develop a conversation on how they plan for the trip. First, plan. How many days to plan for the trip? What mode of transport to use? Which route to take? Which hotel to book for the stay? What are the tourist spots to be visited? What are the things to be packed for the trip? Answer. Take on paper, write the answer and paste on this page. First one. Prasant. Hi Deepak. How did you write your exams? Deepak. I wrote extremely well. What about you? Prasant. Yes, I too wrote well. From tomorrow our puja holidays begin. Let us go with our parents' members to Munnar. We are already planning on it. Deepak. Yes, Prasant. I will talk to my parents about the trip. We can stay for a week there. Prasant. Yes, we have to see a lot of places. We can go by a van there. Deepak. Yes, the van can fit all of us. Which is the shortest route from Chennai? Prasant. We can take GST Road NH 38. It will take around 10 to 11 hours and we can stay in Hotel Mona Central. It is quite comfortable. Deepak. Okay. What are the tourist spots to be visited? Prasant. Kalari Setra, Anamudi Peak, Tea Gardens, Lockhart Gap, Gundala Dam Lake, National Parks and Chinnakanal Waterfalls. Deepak, wonderful. Let's pack all our things we need for the tour. Prasant, yes, we have to take with us cotton outfit, hats, sunglasses, sunscreen lotion, blankets and sweaters. Deepak, okay Prasant, I will give the information to my parents and I will ask them to talk to your parents about this trip. Bye. Grammar exercise, tenses, simple present tense and simple past tense. This exercise answer write in your grammar note or rough note. This is additional grammar exercise. First one, simple present tense. The simple present tense tells us of actions done always or usually. For example, the Hindu sees a long river which rises in Tibet. Rises, simple present tense. The Ravi, the Beas and the Sutlej flow through the Punjab Haryana plains. Flow is the answer. A low watershed separates these plains from the Ganga plains. Separates. The Ganga plains form the largest lowland drained by the Ganga and its tributaries. Form. Both the Ganga and the Yamuna originate in the Himalayas. Originate. The Ganga also receives tributary from the peninsular plateau. Receives. The Brahmaputra joins the Ganga and flows through Bangladesh. Joins, flows. Some of the steps here. First one, the simple present tense expresses habitual actions. For example, I brush my teeth every day. Second one, general truth. Example, sea water is salty. Third one, for future actions. The 8th standard students go to the 9th in June. Fourth one, if type conditional sentences. For example, if you write that letter, you may get into trouble. Fifth one, for a dramatic effect. Example, she walks into the room, sees the headless body and screams. The singer slips out of captivity, leaps from the balcony and dives into a deep blue pond. Sixth one, in questions and statements containing do, does and did and interrogative sentences. For example, do you know the truth? Does he come? Did she sing? Am I wrong? Is it time? Next, 7th one, in time clauses. For example, when did this happen? Adverbs like occasionally, generally, sometimes, always, never often, etc. are usually used with the present tense. Next one, present progressive tense. The present progressive tense or the present continuous tense. For example, is, am, or plus verb plus ing. It is used for actions in progress at the time of speaking. For example, it is raining. It subject, is verb, rain is the action verb plus ing form. So, in this sentence, present progressive tense is the present continuous tense, both are same. Generally, these verbs should not be used in the present continuous. For example, know, smell, taste, possesses, remember, belong, cost, want, drive, detest, understand, forget, etc. I am loving you. Incorrect statement. Correct statement, I love you. I am not understanding. Incorrect statement. Correct answer, I don't understand. The present continuous is also used to express an arrangement for the future. For example, I am flying to France this evening. I am flying. The present continuous tense form. Vicky is speaking in the meeting tomorrow. It's speaking. Adverbs like now, still, at present are used with the present continuous tense. For example, I am eating. She is eating banana. My father is reading the newspaper. The moon is shining. They are chanting mantras. The baby is crying. Are you watching TV? What are you going party? Raman is flying Tokyo. Are you feeling okay? Next one, present simple past tense. The past tense is used to express an action that took place in the past. For example, India became independent in 1947. I met Usha yesterday. Past progressive tense. This tense is used to express an action that continued for some time in the past, yesterday, last week, etc. Are the adverbs used with this tense. For example, Sheila was washing the clothes when the thief entered the house. Some of the book back exercises. Exercise 1. Read the sentence given below and circle the verbs appropriately. This is additional grammar exercise, not in your textbooks. First one. We sometimes read books is the correct answer. Second one. Emily goes to the disco. Third one. It often rains on Sundays. Fourth one. Peter and his sister wash the family car. Fifth one. I always hurry to the bus stop. Sixth one. She loves to eat chocolates. Seventh one. He plays cricket on Sundays. Eighth one. Simon has 2 rabbits. Ninth one. They are Sandy's parents. 10th one. We have a nice garden. 11th one. She always laughs for silly things. 12th one. They run in the playground after 3 p.m. 13th one. He wears a white shirt every Friday. 14th one. They do shopping every weekend. 15th one. We drink a lot of fruit juice every day. Next exercise. Fill in the blanks with the simple present or present progressive tense. First one. Look, they dash the house. Correct answer, or living. Second one. Brian dash 30 km every day. Answer, cycles. Third one. Samantha dash her homework at the moment. Answer is doing. Fourth one. My parents dash right now. Answer, are shopping. Fifth one. He usually dash early in the morning. Answer, gets up. Sixth one. Normally Jenny dash black shoes, but today she dash red wellies. Correct answer, wears is wearing. Seventh one. Look, Jenny dash to school. Answer is going. Eighth one. She dash for walking every day. Answer, goes. Ninth one. The sun dash in the east. Answer rises. 10th one, a square dash a four-sided figure. Answer is. 11th one, Ravi's mother dash food now. Answer is preparing. 12th one, she dash deliciously. Answer cooks. 13th one, my mother always dash care of me. Answer takes. 14th one, look they dash kabaddi. Answer or playing. 15th one, she dash TV now. Answer is watching. Okay children, I hope all are watching this video class and PDF link. Today's assignment, read and write given exercises, informal letter and conversation in your English book. Next, grammar exercise, write in your rough note or grammar note. Write in cursive style and neat presentation. Watch the YouTube video link till you understand. Complete the given assignment and report on time without fail. Take care children. Thank you.